This is a microphone test using the MV7, the Shure MV7, into the SE Dynamite DM1 microphone preamp, into the Yamaha MG102c mixing console, into the Audient ID4 on the DI. The gain on the DI is just below 12 o'clock, and the output, the gain on the mixing channel is at 0 dB. The output mixing, the output stereo output is at 3 o'clock. The channel volume is at 3 o'clock, and my mouth is approximately 4 inches from the foam. This is close proximity with my lips on the foam. Also, the MV7 has had the pop filter changed to that from the SM7B, so hopefully the plosives are different, are better. The mixer, or the ID4, is going in on loopback, and the mono channel from the stereo has been mixed in loopback to both output channels and recorded in Ecamm. The compression on the channel is at 12 o'clock. This is the Shure MV7 plugged into the Plugable 14-in-1 Thunderbolt 3 adapter via USB without the app open. This is with the app open and on manual settings, with the mic gain set at 34.5 dB. The EQ is high pass with presence boost. The limiter is on and the compression is medium. The microphone is approximately 2 inches from my mouth. The audio is passed through loopback into Ecamm. This is the Shure MV7 via USB. Pause. This is the Shure MV7, high pass and presence boost. This is the Shure MV7 with just presence boost. This is the Shure MV7 with just high pass. And this is the Shure MV7 flat EQ. Shure MV7 flat EQ. Shure MV7 high pass. Shure MV7 presence boost. Shure MV7 high pass and presence boost.